Hi, first grade readers. It's time to continue on with our lesson for today. We're going to do our letter sound drill or our visual drill. I'm going to show you a letter, and your job is to tell me just the letter's sound. If you get stuck, remember that you can say the letter's name and the special key word to help you remember those sounds. Let's try some. Here we go. Tell me just the letter's sound. Good. The sound for this letter is T. E. X. Am. B. Ch. Like chin. A. Ooh, this one's tricky. I'm going to have to say the key word for this one. I'm going to whisper it. A-N-K, bank. Ank. The sound is just ank. D. An. K. J. Ink. K. O-N-K, honk, onk. The sound is just onk. Sh. K. Unk. Th, like thumb. All. V, like van. W. A-N-G, bang, ang. The sound is just ang. G. I. Ing. Ong. Qu. U-N-G, lung, ung. The sound is just ung. W. Y, like yellow. Ah. And we're back to our agenda. Nice job. I have given us a green check next to our sound drill, our visual drill. And next, we will move on to our listening drill. Keep working hard.